Alright guys, it's time to go streaming. Looks like I'm live. Audio seems to be good. I hope I'm not going to get disconnected. So basically what I want to do today is I want to go and finish up setting up my development environment. I'm using VS Code as a tool. So basically I downloaded Visual Studio Code, and you could go to Visual Studio Code here, and then click on download, and make sure you select the version for Mac, and then afterwards you'll be good to go. Yeah, so that's where we at, and yeah, I just wanna so what I want to do next is I think I want to go and install Python if it's not already installed. So Python 3 is installed. That's good. Just exit. Um, So what we could do is we could write a small hello world program, and so what I really want to do is I want to go and set up some kind of few pages, and I want to set up a few pages, and um, I want to have a main page where people can sign up, and after when they sign up, afterwards, create a login page, sign up page, login page. Just something very basic. And yeah, after that we'll add more functionality to the website. But for right now, we just want to get something basic up and running. So let's do a search for, and this is how I would. Oops, this is the wrong channel. I'm just streaming live here. So let's take this here. New window. All right. What I want to do now is I want to go on how to create class project. Python, create Python class. Oh, you know what? Another thing I'm going to do is install dark one thing that I really hate is dark mode, on a dark mode theme. Settings theme. Can I do that? Settings. Theme. Dark mode. Appearance maybe. Theme. Jetpack. Let's see if there's anything I could install dark. Okay, so dark mode extension. So let's see. See how this looks. I think there might be more. Let's just go here. Like I really hate having. Okay, dark mode. How many of this? 258. Night shift. There's a popular one. I forgot. Oh no, what's this? You know what? I'll try this. Let's see if this works. Google.com. That's not good. This is horrible. Alright, let's see. Dark mode. What's this? YouTube dark mode. think this is what it is. Yeah, 2 million users add extension. And then, so that's going to be there. Oh yeah, this is what I need. If not, extensions. So that's good. So let's delete the extensions that I installed before. Extensions, manage extensions, I think. I guess that's, there we go. I think I'll just keep that. So now that we have dark mode, let's try to go and get a Flask project up and running. Well, first thing, one thing I know is that you have to go and create. You have to go and create. You have to go and create a project. So I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and create the documents, and then make directory. I'm gonna go and do let's call this SAS skeleton. And since I'm a horrible speller, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this and making sure that I spelled it correctly. Yep. SAS skeleton. So basically what I like to do is I'm gonna go and build software projects, and just because that's one thing I know, and I thought, you know what, why not just do it out, create all these products while I'm streaming live, and then this way more people can learn from it and more people can watch and learn. So first thing we do is all right, fast create a fast application in a few minutes. Okay, so let's see, what do they say? Create project. Okay, so one thing you have to do is for sure is you got to install virtual environment. Okay, I got to install some ad block. Remind me next time to install ad block. Why can't I select this? Okay, why can't I select this? Create a virtual. Okay, that's useless. Pip install virtual environments. Okay, so pip install. Let's try this. Virtual environment. Oops. Pip install virtual environment. What if you do pip3? Oops, pip3. Okay. So what's happening here? Warning. Pip. Okay, pip install upgrade pip command. Okay. Let's see. Upgrade. Okay, I gotta pip3. Alright, I guess I can't do it. PW. So I'm already here. So what I'm gonna do is Python 3 m virtual environment vn. Okay. So this should create a folder called virtual environment, if I remember right. ls/l. So yep. Oh, is there one? Yep, there's one. And okay. Pip install virtual environment and then virtual environment. I think this is what you have to do. Is this right? I guess not. Is it maybe this? Let's try this. Oh, yeah, that's it. So now we are running virtual environment, so this is good. And now what we could do is we could go and but now I'm thinking, should I even do this, or should I just use PHP to go and build the website? Because PHP is very simple, but I kind of like Python. So we have to go on pip install Flask. I think pip3 install Flask. This should install Flask. Okay. Okay, so what do we do here? Python. Then this is installed. Install. Oh, install this. I don't know what it does, but it says Python, so I like it. What's this? All right, let's finish installing it. It's made by Microsoft. Pre-line debugging. Okay, so can I? Okay, so now we are. Let's open a folder. So that's skeleton. So there you go. All right. Okay, this is good. So one thing we could do is we could create a so what's a good folder structure for Python? Good folder structure for Python pro website. Flask website. So organizing a project. So what's a good way to do this? App.py, config.py, requirements, static templates. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay. A lot of examples that you come across causing a file. Okay. Config.py, requirements.txt, run.py. When you are working with projects a little more complex, you'll need to define classes, models. Okay. Let's go in. Okay, so that's good. All right. So I think I definitely need static and templates. These are directories, so let's just make them. And then another one is templates. All right, so I think instance. I think I like this one. Config.py, app.py. So simple one would be to go and make something called app.py, and then I think we could just do this. Let's try to get this to run first before doing anything smart. New file, save it, app.py. So what we could do is, you know what? Let's see. Import Flask from Flask. Okay. Okay, I can't even copy this. Or is this? Who is this? Who made this import from Flask? Import Flask. Okay, so let's just do this. From Flask, import Flask. Is there what's going on? You know what? The issue with this dark mode extension is that sometimes you can't really see if there's a copy button. Why isn't this? I can't copy this at all, can I? Okay, I guess I'll go back to app. From app equals class name. So let's just this is the basics of what you do here. App equals class name and app.route. So this is the default website. Index.php, index.hello, return hello world, and then what you could do is Python 3 app.py. Python, what do you do now? Fast cron. Okay, so what happens here? What happens if we go here? There we go. So we're here, your basic hello world website. So that's good. So what we want to do here is, so now we are here. I don't even do this template static. Your app. Okay. So what do we do next? You know what? Part of me feels like I should do. You know, this is just a simple website, so I don't even know if I should use Python for this, because I'm gonna have issues later on with hosting and all that. Whereas if I just use PHP, I could just easily host this. You know, because Apache is gonna be, or we already have Apache, and huh, yeah. No, I'll stick to this now. So how to load it? Class load template. Okay. Base layout. Okay, so it's saying just do base layout. Okay, so let's just copy the stuff. Okay, base.html. So one thing you could do is you could do another tab. cd document cd template vim base html. Copy this stuff. Quit. Oops, you know what? I forgot the first part. Okay, base.html. Paste this in here. Escape, quit. We have that. And log in. Oh, so this one has everything. Base layout. Register. Okay. Register. So what's happening here? It's just let's follow this. Register. And we have login. And this is login.html. Okay. Base. Okay, so let's see. How do I load a template? Okay, render template. Okay. render template. So let's do this. Render template, templates, login, HTML, and then I have to import render template, but request and okay, so this is what I need. I'm pretty sure I need request. Okay, so let's do this. Do I have to stop and run this again? Do I? Which kind of sucks. Control C. Okay. Let's see what happens. Internal server error. That's the error here. Render template. Okay. Why isn't this working? Yeah. Oh, maybe I don't need the templates. Maybe I don't need this. I don't know. Maybe since we already know what the template directory is add, maybe we don't need that. Let's see. Oh, what's wrong here? Oh, what's wrong here? What's going on here? I have no idea what's going on. Login.html. Login.html. I don't understand why this is not working. I think once I figure this out, I'm going to sleep. It's like pretty late. Okay. Huh. Do I need routes? Render template, index.html. So there's index.html in here. So he's going to make index.html templates, and then you know what, let's just do this. Let's just get something started. You know, before we do something crazy. Yeah. Let's do this. And we'll do index.html here. Index.html. Let's do this. User is Mikael. And HTML. Let's see what happens here. Oh, you know what? We gotta stop. Okay, so that works. Alright, so login index.html works. Alright, I think that's a good start. I think I'm gonna log off for today. But basically, I think what I'm gonna do next is, well, one thing I want to do is get the debugger running. Another thing I want to do is control. Let's see. Control. Actually, let's get the debugger to run Flask. Can we do that? Let's see. Is this working? Yeah, that's running. So if you put a breakpoint here, let's see if this works. 500, 500. What happened to my breakpoint? Stop. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, it's going, so it's working. Okay. Yeah, there you go. User is that, so can you output something? Let's see, print user. Oh, that works. Yeah, this is good. This is all I need. Alright, that's it for today. I'm gonna log off. I'm gonna log off. That's it for today. What I'm gonna do next is I will, start building the website. What I want to do is I want to go and just put up a simple landing page, and afterwards I want to go and also I'm going to go and create a GitHub account, and just design the website. Basically, what I'm envisioning here is that sketch basically what I'm envisioning here is maybe I could use I could just test it here. I guess I can't. Basically, you know what? Let's use Visual Studio Code for this. Basically, what I want to do is, have a page. Anytime you have a page, you'll have like, let's say you have your page here, and at the top of the page we'll have, like logos and stuff like that, and then afterwards, we'll have like a kind of like a call to act, kind of like, what we're trying to do, and then here I want to have like something like, hey, sign up now, sign up today, sign up today, I'll have something like that, and then afterwards and then put the email box, something like this, and then of course we'll talk about benefits of using the system, talk about other things like pricing, maybe have like 2 pricing options, yeah, and then I'll build that later on, but for now this is just a start. That's it for me. I'm gonna log off. It's kind of late for me, so um, I'll stream more tomorrow.